Hey guys, guess what I just got in the mail? Yeah, Ronald Jenkees. Woo! He even signed them, yo, because I bought both CDs. See it? 2 signatures. RJ, baby. So here's Disorganized Fun. Pretty wicked. Can't wait to put it in. Thank you. Yeah. That is wicked. I'm loving it. I hate these black CDs because they show fingerprints so easily when you touch them. But that is legit. That is wicked. Now this one I didn't open the plastic part yet. Look, he cut it so he could sign the cover. Look at that face. Ronald Jenkees, yeah. So this one, another black CD. Ooh, here's all the track listings. Rap. What's that? It's a piano. Wow. This is wicked. I don't care what anyone says. Unless they say it's wicked. This is my favorite part though. Too much fun. YouTube.com/Ronald Jenkees. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.